So after we made our login page, we're gonna finish doing our control panel page, which is our default page. So let's go ahead and open the default page, and I'm just gonna select this and remove the link. And again, let me go to my service behavior, and I'm just gonna remove that the company name as well. Okay, so I'll just go back to a layout, and I'm gonna choose table. I'm just gonna choose 100%. All right, and I will go to my page properties. I will choose a default page font as a Genoa, size 14, and background color is 333 and 333. Top margin I want to get 0, apply, and OK. And again, like, I recommend you to make your own design and own font settings and everything. This is what I like. I mean, according to me, this is how I wanna set up this page. So I'm making it my own. But for you, like, make your own pages and make your own design. I'm gonna take 1000 pixel. I need 8 rows. So I'm gonna go ahead and make one more table. All right. And this one, as you can see, is as a default alignment. I want to get into center, and I'm just gonna select the table. I'm gonna put the cell space as 0, and I want all the background color is white. All right, so after you do this, I'm gonna just split this table into this row into 2 columns. So once you have this, I want to height on the first row is 80, and the width I want around, I guess, 300 pixel that I just said. Alright, and here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign a background image. So I'm just gonna on the background image, you can just uh, click and drag to the top banner that I have. Okay, and this part you can go to data binding, and I want to show the company name over here. All right, and this I need at least 16, so bold, and I want to be 2 in center. Actually, not center, and the left will be good. I'll put at least 18. All right, I'm just gonna save this, and let's see how it look like. Before I change anything, I'm just gonna change it to control panel. Alright, save all, upload this, and I'm gonna username and password, and see, this is how it's looking right now. So after we done this, let's go ahead and create the rest of the part. Alright, let me just go to the page again, the top 0. Alright, I want to just do one more thing. If you see over here, I'll see the gray part over there. So I'm just gonna select the whole table. I'm just gonna press 0 for the padding, and save all, and upload this. You see, pretty much is good. Alright, so after this I wanna make a background color to the page color, and I'm gonna give the height at least of 25. Over here, the font color, I want a white color, and I'm gonna type control panel. I'm gonna just select the text and go up to 12. And this also I'm gonna split into two columns, and on the other side I want a user. I'm just gonna select the font color as white, 12, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get the username and drag over here. Again, I hope so as the white font, and this time I wanna get on the right hand side. Alright, so this control panel is really stick with the borderline, so I just want to get some space. I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm just gonna write down control panel, and same as with the user. I'm gonna do this, and I'm just gonna select this and press my right arrow key and come to the code again. Here, I'm gonna put another space over here. Alrighty, and I think forget to put commas here. Alright, so save all and upload my page, and come here and see how this will look like. Alright, so over here we're getting a control panel, that we're on a control panel page, and the user Z. Over here I want to make one menu bar, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm just gonna come to my design and just click over here. Alright, and in this I'm gonna take at least height of 30, and the background color I'm gonna choose from over here. This is the background color I need. By clicking in this row, I'm just gonna go to the spray tab, and I'm gonna choose the spray menu bar. I need a horizontal. I'm gonna click OK. So it gives me a nice horizontal menu bar. Alright, so I'm just gonna highlight, if you see over here the blue highlighted area, I'm just gonna click on this. It will give me the option. So first I want it to be Klein, and from Klein I need a submenu. The list menu is going to be new Klein, and over here I need to be Klein list. I don't need the third one, so I just simply minus this. The second one I need is inventory. Alright, and inventory I need another one which is going to be a new inventory, and I need one more which is going to be inventory list. Alright, the third one I'm gonna have for accounts, and I will get same thing first, create new account, and second thing accounts list, and I don't need the third one. If we need anything in the future, we can add it later on. And item 4, we're going to have a transaction, and I need one over here as a new transaction, and again I need one as transaction list. Okay, and I need one more which is going to be our control panel. how you can link this again, I mean, this is our home page. All you can do, just click on a folder and choose as a default page, control panel. And I need sorry, one more over here, which is going to be a logout. And again, we're gonna link this with our login and logout. Alright, so once you've done this, I'm gonna save it all and I'm gonna press OK. If you notice over here, you will not see there should be one more folder. It's called spray, and when you just refresh it, it will give you the spray asset folder. So this select the spray asset folder and a default page both together with the shift key and upload this. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna check our website. We're just gonna refresh. So when you refresh, you will see that we have a nice little menu with the option that we created, and we can log out. Simply click this Z admin, and here you go, we have our menu. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of setting on this menu. If you come to CSS, on if you see this, when you click on this, it will give you some option here. Add property, probably this. This is the border. I want to get into 2 pixel, and I want it to be the color I want, just F8A 918. Alright, and this one, the background color that I want is this, and I need to be white, and instead of the padding is, I think it's a little bit small, so I'm just gonna go ahead for 9 OEM. Or if you like a little bit more, for example, make in between, like, 7 would be okay. And here you go, for example, 95. I guess 75 would be fine. Okay. Alright, so after this, we're gonna check. Okay, this is a list menu. The list menu again is this is going to be a horizontal hoover. So the hoover that I want is this color with the white effect, and I'm just gonna save all. Let's test a little bit. I'm just gonna select my spray and upload it, and I'm gonna refresh this. So again, we need to make a little bit more changes because I don't like this blue color selecting. Okay, I want this to be maybe a green or whatever. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so this is our selecting color, and the selecting color that I want is to be a green, and not really green, I want this one, and I want to save all. Select my spray. Let me just test how it look like. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay. Alright, so after we done, I just want to need this one a little bit wider. So let's see if I can find something that I can make a little bit wider. I think the frame, C index. Anyways, I'll see if there are any option that I can make. So padding, that we already saw this before. And URL absolute. I think here's a bit, so I'm just gonna make it 9.2. I'm just gonna save this and upload. Yep. So if you see over here that we have all the ratings pretty much good, and if you see the border over here is sticking out, so probably we can fix this too. 9. I think this is about it. We'll put 9.2, and I'm gonna save this, upload, and let's test it. So here we go, we're all fixed up. Alright, so this is the page that we're gonna use throughout our all other pages. So after you fix this, I think it's time to make our first client page. Alright, so we're just gonna log out and see you in the next video.